you need these 3 verbs. They are very important in French. You're going to see when we advance together in our lessons that they are used as auxiliary for the composed tenses. I'm talking about to be, to have, to go in French coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and my mission is to teach you French with a smile. So the first one is to be, être. Notice the little hat and the I. This is called un accent circonflexe. You have 3 accents in French. This is one of them. Let's start. Let's start to be in the present. Être. Je suis. I am. You are. Tu es. He is. She is. Il est. Elle est. We are. Nous sommes. You are in the plural. Vous êtes. They are. Masculine and feminine. Ils sont. Elles sont. Encore une fois. Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils, elles sont. Ensemble. Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils, elles sont. Excellent! Now, to have, avoir. Again, very easy, but you have to learn them, you have to repeat them, go along, speak along with me. It's going to be a tremendous help for you because the magical of languages is that you learn them through repetition. So, let's focus on to have, avoir. I have, j'ai. You have, tu as. He has, she has. Il a, elle a. We have, nous avons. You have in the plural, vous avez. They have, masculine and feminine. Ils ont, elles ont. Notice something here. If I don't do any liaison, it's going to be ils ont, elles ont. But this is so much better when you do a liaison. I just don't want you to be fooled thinking that the verb is starting with any kind of other letter than an O. So, ils ont, elles ont. Ok, encore une fois. J'ai, tu as, il, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Ensemble. J'ai, tu as, il, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Yes! The last one, to go. Aller. I go. Je vais. So notice here, this is very irregular, you know. There's no apparent stem between je vais and the verb aller. But hang in there. I go, je vais. You go, tu vas. He goes, she goes. Il va, elle va. Notice the S is for the tu. Okay? And the je in that instance. But never for il, elle in the singular. Okay? We go, nous allons. Similar to nous avons, isn't it? This is why I made the mistake, maybe. Nous avons, we have. Nous allons, we go. You see the difference? Okay. Now, you go in the plural. Vous allez. Notice, my friend, when we talk about nous, we end the verb with on. When we talk about vous, we end the verb with et. Okay, this is something we are going to see together again and again. So, you go in the plural, vous allez. They go, masculine and feminine. Ils vont, elles vont. Notice here, it's very similar to they have, ils ont, and very similar to they are, ils sont. Ok, from the beginning, depuis le début. Encore une fois. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Ensemble. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Yes! The first three most important verbs in French in the present. You have them now. Repeat and repeat and repeat. And then we are going to learn other tenses. My friend, I'm available for you for one-to-one lessons. Link is below. And see you very soon on the channel. Bye-bye.